Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Short question, chapter 18. 1. Why ordinary silicon diodes do not emit light? 2. What is the net charge of N-type or P-type substances? 3. Why is base current in a transistor very small? 4. What is the effective of forward biasing on the width of depletion region? 5. The inputs of a gate are 1 and 0. Identify the gate if output is A 0 and B 1. 6. Why a photodiode is operated in reverse biased state? 7. How does the motion of an electron in an N-type substance differ from the motion of a holes in P-type substance? 8. The anode of diode is 0.2 volt positive with respect to its cathode. Is it forward biased? 9. Why the charge carriers are not present in depletion region? 10. What is photodiode? Write its two applications. 11. Draw the symbol of XOR gate and write down its truth table. 12. Write down the characteristic of operational amplifier. 13. Draw the symbol of NOR gate and write the truth table of NOR gate. 14. How does the motion of electron in N-type substance differ from the motion of holes in P-type substance? 15. What is OR gate? Write its relation. 16. What is the effect of forward and reverse biasing diode on the width of depletion region? 17. What is meant by the forward biasing and reverse biasing of PN junction? 18. Write a note on LED. 19. Write down the application of photodiode.